Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
First, let's run code 1 that generate the error and let's see what happens. Here's the elucidation and the resolution to the bug. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And there you have it. The code executes flawlessly and our output matches our expectations. No more error. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.